Hidi katika supplementary iliyowekwa na serikali kuu ni pesa ya fidia. Kusema ya kwa hii 10 point agenda, ilikuwa imefeli na wakati umepita. Hata si ajabu. I will not be surprised that those who are against now are those who are trying to
nigini bende kora gibiro gibedo koda duol e piny owacho mabiro.
Mwelewa kwa nini kabla kula tunampa Mungatana azungumze? Mwelewa kwa nini kabla kula tunampa Mungatana azungumze? Not the same people that were. This time utabahatika wewe mwenyewe pia ukisurvive. So don't fool with us. Don't fool people.
The economy of Kenya was in bad shape because of a number of factors, mainly the disruption of the supply chains because of the war in Ukraine and Russia, arrangement for the supply of crude oil, which was not available in 2022 September. People were queuing to buy petrol. And we saw the escalation of costs, a big contributor to inflation.
Omenda unge moromo mabende koro inyalo tagoro chenro mopogore mag county no indo.
See the governor of Nairobi giving some infertile imaginations on the running of Nairobi County. And he did complain that he doesn't...
Just wanted to tell you a story. The problem of floods in Nairobi was identified in the year 1906. There was the Ministry of Works Sports Club, because the rest of that is actually a floodplain. That's a floodplain and it is a river. So what we have done, we have built on the river. So the water from Ngong Hills through the airport then spills into Nairobi. And that's
ka igwedhori gi wende go mag pak Masudi machigni gi ruodhi.
Nyiero motimo Cathedral. Kickby motimo Cathedral. Kickby Bang School. Bang School. Chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV.
But I'm used to speaking off the cuff. It is better for me than reading long speeches. Your Excellency, that broad-based government started long before the 10-point agenda came. Mr. President, therefore, it cannot depend, the broad-based arrangement cannot depend on the 10-point agenda. 10-point agenda